What's up, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today we are talking chicken wings, but we are not staying in the lane. We are stepping off the track with 3 variations on chicken wing flavors that I think you're going to love. Sticky, sweet, beer brine chicken wing, a dill pickle, crispy, crunchy grilled wing, and a Jamaican jerk wing with pickled jalapenos. All of them are delicious. I'm gonna show you how to make each one. So let's do it. We are gonna kick things off with our beer brine chicken wing. Super simple brine. You can use your favorite beer, kosher salt, and some red pepper flakes. That's all it is. We mix it around until the salt is fully dissolved and then add in the chicken wings. I'm using a mix of drumettes and flats. Press out all of the excess air, lay them flat, and those are ready to be refrigerated. Next up are our pickle brine wings. This is literally chicken wings and pickle brine from your favorite jar of pickles. It's the perfect ratio of acidity and salt. Again, press out the air. Those are ready to be brined as well. And next we're moving on to the most involved marinade. This is our Jamaican jerk marinade. Green onions, oil, vinegar, pickled jalapenos, some whole garlic cloves, and a Jamaican jerk seasoning blend. You can use your favorite here. Pulse it all together until that marinade is smooth like paste. And then we're gonna pour that over our wings again in a bag so we can press out all the extra air and really get that marinade in between every little crack and crevice of those chicken wings. Now for the brine and the marinade, I'm gonna recommend that you let these go in the refrigerator for at least 8 hours before you begin the cooking process. Now, the wings are out of the refrigerator. It's time to prep them for the grill. Now, anytime you remove a wing from a brine, it's important that you dry off any of the excess moisture. I'm using a paper towel to pat off all of the excess liquid. Make sure they're nice and dry, and then transfer those wings directly to a preheated grill. I'm using my charcoal grill here. We're gonna repeat the process with our pickle brined wings. Get those onto the grill as well, and then it's time for the Jamaican jerk wings. These do not need to be patted down. We want that marinade on the outside of our wings. And then I'm even going to add a little bit extra of that Jamaican jerk seasoning. Yeah. Next up, it's time to make our toppings while those wings are on the grill. We're gonna start with our sticky sweet buffalo sauce. It's literally buffalo sauce, butter, brown sugar mixed together until that sugar's dissolved. For our dill pickle chicken wings, I need to make a crunchy dill pickle topping. So I'm melting some butter and adding some panko bread crumbs until they are nice and toasty. Set those aside. Now all of our wings are ready to come off. I like to cook my wings until they're about 175 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. It gives me a much better finished texture on the inside of the wing to where it almost pulls off the bone, but it's still so juicy and flavorful. All 3 of our wings are off the grill. That means it's time for the toppings. So our beer brine chicken wings are getting our sticky, sweet buffalo sauce that we made. And if it's tightened up a little, that's okay. The heat from the wings will melt it down and they'll basically caramelize on the outside of the wings. Little bit of heat, lots of sticky sweet. These are my kids' favorite wings. All right, our dill pickle chicken wings are getting a crunchy dill pickle topping. So we've got some melted butter, our toasted panko, a little bit more of our pickle brine, and then some additional fish and veggie seasoning. This has dill, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, all the good stuff inside of it. Mix that all together and then sprinkle on the top of our dill pickle brined wings. It gives them the most amazing, buttery, zingy, zesty, zippy crunch. And they're so good. And the jerk wings are good as is because they've got all of that flavor in the marinade. But if you wanted to cool it down a little bit, maybe a creamy dip like a ranch or a blue cheese could offer some tanginess and bring down some of the heat from the jalapenos. Now all that's left to decide is which wing to eat first. You gotta let me know which wing you would eat first. Sticky sweet, crispy crunchy dill, or spicy Jamaican jerk. Let me know in the comments below. I gotta go with crispy dill. I'm actually a dill pickle fanatic and I love these wings. My gosh. Crispy chicken skin, super juicy and salty from the brine. But then you get that crispy, crunchy panko butter on top with the fish and veggie seasoning. These are some of my favorite non-traditional wings ever. Oh, so good. I'm gonna finish off the rest of these wings. I hope you give one of these, maybe not totally traditional wing flavors a try, or if you have a favorite wing flavor that you love at home, you gotta let me know. Tag me on Instagram so I can share your posts and cheer you on your journey to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. See you next time. Oh, so good.